Hello beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. It's me again, Estelle on the beat, Estelle Orji. If this is your first time here, my name is Estelle Orji. Today we are going to be doing another series of the part 1 to eyeshadow look. We did that earlier in my last video, you can check that out. And today we are going to do this beautiful look here. If you want to see how I achieved this look, you have to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Find it worthy to join this beautiful family of mine that I'm just building, okay? And thumbs up this video if you like it. And let's get into this tutorial. And guys, it's going to be fun, I'm telling you. You just want to keep on watching. So today I don't know what I will be going in with, as the spirit leads. I might be playing with this Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to be going in that palette. I'm going to be using the shade that is called First. It looks like this. Wish me luck. I'm going to use my concealer and I'll place very little. I'm not cutting the crease. I'm just going to dab this all over my lid. Following the line of my crease. Okay, I'm going into this magic palette. I'm going to use the shade called Barono. It looks like this. Going into this smaller dense brush, I'm going to pick that shadow again and I'll deepen this corner of my eyes. And I'll blend in that color to match with the shimmery shade. See, the more you build that color, the more it's more intense. You also want to make sure that the outer corner of your eyes is looking nice. Now let's take that color a little bit out. I'm going to line my eyes and I'll be right back. I'm going in with this Too Faced Stay Matte Primer because my face is getting oil. I'll use my MAC strobe cream and I'll apply very little. So today I'm going to use this MAC Match Master in the number 7.5. It's been a while if it's not expired, so I want to use it today. Since we started with MAC strobe cream, let's try this. Concealer today, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Today we are going to set using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and to do that I'm going to use this clean beauty sponge. I'm going to bake my nose because we want that nose snatched. For my under eyes, I'm going to use the same color we used on our transition area. I'm going to use that under my eye. For my blush, I'll go into this I'm going to go into this e.l.f. blush palette. This is Broken. I'm going to use this shade right here. For my highlight, I'll use this NYX Straight to Sculpt. I'm going to apply my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so my lashes are done. I'm going to blend in my natural lash with the false lashes together. I'm going to line my eyes, my waterline. So I'm lining my lips using the NYX lip pencil in mahogany. Alright guys, this is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, help me get to my goal 1000 subscribers by September. That would be awesome. And yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video. Please guys, make sure you take enough water. Like, I've finished this today. I'm taking my next bottle. Make sure you're eating clean, add vegetables, fruits to your food. Just stay at home, even if it's 5 minutes walk inside the house, just do something. I love you guys so much, and I want to be seeing you guys every time I post. I'm praying for all of you. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. We achieved this look using 2 shadows. See you in my next video.